I get great satisfaction from cleaning the glass on my lenses. So you get bits of rain and bits of dust and bits of other things and thumbprints on the front of your lens. I do anyway because I'm a little bit messy, and from time to time you have to clean them. So this video I'm going to speak about how I go about it. So the equipment that I use a blower, fabric cloth for cleaning optics, and some liquid which is called optic cleaning fluid. Now when you're looking at your lens, I always tend to do this in a good light source, generally at a window, or a good light would do as well. So just angling the lens just helps see any marks with the reflections from the light. So if there are any bits on there, you need to blow them off with the blower, and this is the first thing that I do, and blow them off so that when you're using your cloth, if you need to, you're not going to have any bits that might damage or scratch the lens. You really want to not touch the lens as much as possible. Thumbprints or anything like that, you can use the cloth and just try wiping them off. I generally work in a circular motion from the centre to the outside, and that will take off things like thumbprints, anything like that. Anything that's a bit more stubborn, that's where I use the optic cleaning fluid. I generally put a couple of droplets on the fabric cloth and never put the drops straight onto the glass. So imagine a load came out, then you can kind of control how much is on there. And then with the wet cloth, you can apply some of this liquid to the actual lens. So it's really important to look at the rear of your lens as well, and you have to be quite careful. So using a blower and then using a cloth, but really not applying lots of pressure. So this video has been about looking after your lenses, and it's only been a short one this week, but I feel like it's an important thing, and if you look after your lenses, then they're going to last longer, aren't they? They are expensive as well to replace. So I hope it's been useful. People probably know how to clean the lenses, but this is something a bit geeky for me and something I enjoy doing, and I just wanted to put that across really. So I produce a video every week. It's normally on a Friday, but I'm late this week just because I've been really busy. I hope you've enjoyed what I've produced. I look forward to producing more, so stay tuned, subscribe, and if this has been good, give me a thumbs up. See you later. Bye for now.